Babalanre's son. This Ìyàwó Babalanre, I've never met him. She claimed to be Babalanre's wife. The son of the wife, I've never met the wife. I've never met the son. Now, imagine what the son of the woman that claimed to be Babalanre's wife, imagine what they sent to me. For those of you on Facebook, fúnra yín lẹ máa kà o. Èmi kọ́ ni màá bá yín kà o. Ẹ máa kà lọ. Hello, madam. This is Ìyá Ṣẹ́gun's son, Babalanre's wife. She showed me the message you sent. I think you.
Èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tú àṣírí àbúrò rẹ̀ o. Ó tú àṣírí bàbá àbúrò rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí Dáre ọ̀hún. Ó tú àṣírí rẹ̀ nígbà tí ìyàwó bàbá Dáre ó jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀. Ó sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀. Ó tú àṣírí. Lizzy náà tún tú àṣírí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo bó ṣe lọ.
You are getting something wrong here. Firstly, with all due respect, I would say you shouldn't involve my mother because she was just only helping Babalanre all this year back. I don't know what argument you have with Babalanre and Lanre, his son, but don't involve my mom because she has really tried her best. The fact that you do send money, the fact that you do send money to them to take care of him, you also did your best and you tried also. You have your own family and personal life too. Babalanre is seriously ill and the landlady took them to human rights. So this is beyond my mom's power. That is why we have to involve his family, because soon enough my mother is going to be leaving Babalanre also because she had done enough. She also have her own personal problems too. Fine, if you don't want anything to do with Babalanre again, that is family issue. You guys will have to sort out for yourself. But remember, there was a woman who sacrificed her times and everything to be with him and take care of him when his family never showed up. Sherry, Lanre ododo ba beri ever. Sherry, so madam, again, with all respect and well-influencer person you are in Nigeria, keep my mom out of this, please. Mumbo, Oshiko has tried enough. Enough is enough. Good day, ma. Mumbo, Mufa gbe mi wa. Mumbo. Okay. Mumbo. Money, Erimi. I stopped sending you money when I gave Lanre money to go and start up a business. Chetiri. I stopped sending you money when I gave Lanre money to go and start up business. And I told the father before giving him the money, he said I should give him that he will utilize it. He spent the whole money within how many hours, Larry? How many hours, Larry? Please call Lanre. I have my own family too. Besides the money I have been sending to you since, what have you been doing with it? If I keep spending the way you are spending, I won't be here. I beg you in the name of the Lord. I have tried my best. Etiri o. Only thank you, madam. I know before sending you. Shegbo, thank you, madam. I know before sending you the text. The text is not meant for Lanre because Lanre is not. Only the text is not meant for Lanre because Lanre is not a responsible person. As far as I know, I have called his number countless of times. He never picked up, and sometimes he said he's not feeling fine. He just gives stupid excuses that not the case here. I know everything will be resolved with time. I'm just trying to get the message to you to let you know about everything. Nothing personal, madam. Thank you very much and enjoy your beautiful day ahead. Now, wá send number yìí. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n avoid number brother wa kan. Number brother wa kan. Èmi mo send ẹ. Mo ní report Lanre to. Report Lanre, you will come. Mo fẹ́ avoid kíni ẹ. You will come and again, I nurture Lanre. I nurture Lanre for good 20 years. I later brought him last year January to come and work. He can't work. He was busy drinking ogogoro up and down. So na me be Mugun that will be bringing ewo. As I then know, Lanre máa gbà, bàbá ẹ̀ máa gbà, ìyàwó máa gbà, ẹ máa wo. Imagine iye tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ mi lóṣù. Lanre máa gbà tiẹ̀ o. Ẹ ṣáà ìpínlẹ̀ náà send account. Bàbá máa gbà, mo máa sanwó ilé, mo máa sanwó oògùn. See o, I'm showing you people this one. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀yin oní family matter. I'm showing you this video now. Money, when my mother was alive, how many family gave dime? Money, as Lanre gave 1 kobo to my mother, money, has he ever brought common small bag of rice to my doorstep to say thank you, my sister, for standing for me at least? Now, Lanre used to bring bag of rice and cartons of turkey to Aja. Ìyẹn àwọn tó ń ṣe tó máa ń kó ẹrù. Ẹ má bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run fa. Mo ní ṣé Lanre máa ń kó gbogbo ilé wa sájà ni? Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi? Ṣé Lanre máa ń gbé ráìsì gbogbo ẹ̀ wá sájà ni? Mo ní ẹ má bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run fa. Lanre will sit under tree drinking ogogoro. I will be under sun working on our landed properties. Please take motor to Owode Diroko. You will see Lanre. Beside the wife have children. To let everybody go and work. I was in hospital in October to January. October, I was in hospital. October to what? To January. ESABOD ti ń ṣe show fún mi ní gbogbo bí. Dorcas ti ń ṣe show fún mi ní gbogbo bí. Níbi báyìí over 500 speakers are staging show for me every day and night. Ẹ wo oṣù tí mo fi wà hospital. There was no family, nobody. Money, did I see any family? The only thing you are good at is to call me and be asking for money, even when I'm at point of death. Ediri. Now let me see if I have more. Okay. Money, ṣé wọ́n fi ṣe yín ni since my childhood. Nobody care for me or my health. Once Baba Lanre called, the next thing is bringing money. Even when I send 50k, he will tell me it's not enough. Ẹ wo age tí mo ti ń send it. Like ẹ wo age tí mo ti ń send owó. Ẹ wo level of owó tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ mi. Lanre àgbà. Mo máa fi hàn yín sí. Lanre àgbà. Bàbá àgbà. Má sanwó ilé, má sanwó generator, má sanwó oògùn, má sanwó ìwọ tó sọ pé inú kọ yẹn. Ọlọ́run á ru ọlá. Ọlọ́run á ru ọlá pé o ò lè ṣe nǹkan tí mo ṣe. Ọlọ́run á fi kú ẹ dá àwọn òbí ẹ lóró. Blessing. Ọlọ́run á fi kú ẹ á fi dá àwọn òbí ẹ lóró. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó fọjọ́ lọ́jọ́ kanjú kú. Ṣé ń gbọ́ ẹ wo Saturday no. Ṣé mọ̀ pé gbogbo bíbá yìí mò ń tán mọ́ lọ́wọ́. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Lanre àgbà ọ̀tọ̀ every week lówó ògùn o. Owó lé ọ̀tọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ọ̀tọ̀. Mo lọ́mọ lọ́wọ́ ń bí o. Mo gbọ́mọ dání bíbá yìí o. Baby wà lọ́wọ́ mi o. Ẹ wo ye month tí mo lò lọ hospital. Ẹ jẹ́ máa kà lọ. Mo ní okay, mo ní throughout my okay bíbá mo ní I sent 50k yẹn náà wá san fún Lanre lẹ́nìí. Money, I sent 50k. He will tell me it's not enough. ṣe rí pé bàbá Lanre ó ń gba 50,000 lọ́wọ́ mi as at then imagine iye ìjọ táwọn pípì ti ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ mi. Money throughout my primary, secondary, polytechnic, university. Did Lanre or his father help me with a cup of garri or 1K? I've been giving Baba Lanre and Lanre since when I was 8 years till date. Ṣé wọ́n rán yín sí mi ni? During my mother's burial, Baba Lanre did not give time. Instead, he said, if I did not give him money, he will not come. Until I sent money to him before he came to my mother's burial. My friends can testify to it. Did Lanre buy ordinary sachet of pure water to support the burial? No. When my mother and Lanre stayed in the same area, in Idiroko, did Lanre dash my mother 1 kobo? Please don't take my generosity for granted. Call Lanre and everybody should go and walk. Please. Okay. Okay. Elewani, thank you, madam. I know before sending you the text. The text is not meant for Lanre because Lanre is not a responsible person as far as I know. I have called his number countless of times. He never picked. And sometimes he said he's not feeling fine. He just gives stupid excuses. That is not the case here. I know everything will be resolved with time. I'm trying to get the message to you to let you know about everything. Okay. I can't send. I can't gbowó nìyẹn. I hope this will serve as a lesson before you give anybody money on social media. I hope this will serve as a lesson. The worst thing you can do to yourself. Tí Dorcas àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bá gbé story wa. Rọra n tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín táyé yín fi bàjẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad nìyẹn. I will show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. But mo sọ pé mo ti ń take care but for the past 38 years. I will show people too tomorrow morning. See? See?